The South African government is investigating controversial Zimbabwean businessman and convicted fraudster Chivhayo following explosive revelations that Zimbabwe's finance ministry paid over 1.1 billion to a South African company contracted to supply election material, of which more than 800 million rands was immediately funneled into Chivhayo-linked companies. Sanamina mashukubula panapa awa chifollowa Chivhayo's arrest South Africa not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna panapa mzimabedanyira chiti. The revelations detailed in a confidential forensic analysis by South Africa's Financial Intelligence Center (FIC) have printed urgent interest from South Africa's law enforcement agencies, including South Africa Revenue Services (SARS) and the South African Police Services (SAPS), who are now moving towards possible arrest and prosecution. The financial trails leads directly to Renform CC, a Johannesburg-based commercial printing company, and paid to supply materials to Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZVAITWA) for the August 2023 general elections, bypassing public tender procedures. According to documents seen by ZimLive, the FIC's investigation, which analyzed Renform's bank transactions from April 2023 to May 2024, uncovered that once the Zimbabwean Treasury deposited over 1.1 billion into the company's accounts, more than 800 million was rapidly siphoned off to companies controlled by Chivhayo, primarily Intratech Holdings and Dolintel Trading Enterprises. Among the entities receiving major payouts from Chivhayo's companies were HAASI Bambek Platinum Group 351 million, Kumba Groups 28.8 million, Indo Logistics 9.4 million, Daytona Luxury Car 5.4 million, and Zimuzamurukona 1.6 million and 1 million rands. Although Chivhayo denies any wrongdoing and insists the payments were legitimate business transactions, South African authorities appear unconvinced. Chimombe and Mpofu, who accused Chivhayo of betrayal, have since been arrested in Zimbabwe on unrelated corruption charges and denied bail, a move critics say was meant to silence them. Ndomashoko anomuda achinyorwa panapa tionoti aiwa Chivhayo panguva ino aiwa ari in hot soup. But kuna speculations according panapa, we've just seen in the comment section, people, yes, they are happy with Chivhayo, he must be held accountable. But some of the people trachita aiwa, if iri nyaya iri South Africa kana angori nemari chete, aiwa, that will not count. Just because South Africa and Zimbabwe zvinongozivikanwa they've got some bilateral relations, that is story and issue, it can be covered nekuda kwemeans dzemari. Muridze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu muridze mafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.